Joining the assembly team at Vermeer means you have an opportunity to learn, master, and be appreciated for your craft. You contribute firsthand to that iconic Vermeer yellow iron, building powerful equipment seen on job sites throughout the world, feeding and fueling communities, managing natural resources, and connecting others to the necessities of life. Assembly at Vermeer requires an understanding of mechanics. How you apply those mechanics will vary depending on what equipment you build. Instead of robots or machines completing the work, you are in control, using your skills and training to connect various parts and pieces using impact tools. You see the results of your efforts each day as the machine comes together. Assembly at Vermeer is structured. You are expected to complete a specified number of tasks in a certain amount of time repeatedly. We pride ourselves on building quality equipment, meaning your attention to detail allows you to raise the bar in quality. Assembly at Vermeer requires a team approach, many times partnering up to deliver machines that reliably perform in tough work environments, helping to equip our customers to do more. A legacy of innovation and grit, pride in what we do and our team. Build the Vermeer yellow iron that drives our world forward. Join the team who does more.